Yes, my office is in the closet. But my wife said I had a package.
I don't see none. But you should open the door and check the other side.
Alright, this is not supposed to happen like this, but I'm kind of excited. So, let's unbox this. Yeah, this will work. Oh. So, this came from HEXMODS, and I don't know what it is. That's why I want to open it. You know, HEXMODS make like robots. Open it backwards, but it don't matter. Do you see that? It's the back of a box. Alright. Okay. Man, this thing got like party time in it. You see that? Woo-hoo! It's party time. Okay, alright, I'm calm down. Okay, so look at this. Do you see? Do you know what this is? Okay, so for those of you who might remember, HEXMODS was the thing. Okay, but this is HEXMODS. And I don't know if y'all remember, HEXMODS was amazing, but they discontinued them. I think these are like 9 million times better than HEXMODS. These are HEXMODS, and they come with, it's drift tires, soft tires, hard tires, just tires. Even tires with tread on them, like if you're gonna drive through rain. This is crazy. But wait, there's more. It's another one. So this one is the Pro Kit. This is the Pro Racer Kit. I mean, wait, yeah. This is the Pro Kit. This is the Pro Racer Kit. This thing comes with track corners. Then you can make a track and you can race them. So let's get to racing.